Lesson number 4. Food. Let's talk about fruit. Kiwi, pineapple, grapes or a bunch of grapes. Pear, melon, persimmon, a tangerine, a mandarin, dragon fruit, plum, peach, mango. Vegetables: red onion, eggplant or aubergine, cabbage, zucchini or courgette, mushrooms, carrots, beetroot, garlic, spinach, red bell pepper, peas. Describing food. Adjectives. Number 1. Inedible. Describes food that tastes so bad that you can't eat it. The whole meal was so salty it was practically inedible. Number 2. Nutritious. Containing lots of vitamins or vitamins. It's a nutritious diet with plenty of fresh vegetables, nuts and seeds. Number 3. Rich. Food that you can only eat a little of because it contains a lot of oil. The breakfast was delicious, but it was very rich. Ripe. Fruit that is ready to be eaten. Is this mango ripe yet? Number 5. Stale. Are old and not now good to eat. I'm afraid these biscuits are stale now. You can use the verb go to describe something which goes stale. Put the milk in the fridge or it will go stale. Words which you can use to describe different tastes. Number 1. Sweet. Having the taste of sugar or honey. The cake tastes sweet. Number 2. Sour. Sharp. Acidic taste, like lemon or vinegar. Lemon tastes sour. Salty. Tasting of salt. The chips are too salty. Bitter. Number 4. Sharp, unpleasant taste, like black coffee or dark chocolate. This coffee is bitter. 5. Spicy. Hot or peppery. Gives a burning sensation. The curry is very spicy. Bland. Lacking strong flavor. Mild and uninteresting. The soup is bland. Number 7. Tangy. Pleasantly sharp and slightly sour. The dressing is tangy and fresh. Mild. Gentle, not strong. The cheese has a mild flavor. Number 9. Smoky. Tastes like smoke. The meat tastes smoky. Sweet tooth. A strong liking for sweet foods, sweets, desserts. I have a sweet tooth. I always want dessert. Other forms you can say to have a sweet tooth. The phrase sweet-toothed. It is an adjective. She's sweet-toothed and loves chocolate. Opposite, to prefer savory. He prefers savory foods. Let's have some practice. 4.1. Complete the sentences. I roasted with olive oil and herbs. Zucchini. Number 2. I added to my omelette this morning. Spinach. Number 3. She made a delicious stew for dinner. Eggplant. Number 4. Chop one and fry it until golden. Onion. Number 5. He ate a ripe for a snack. Peach. Number 6. The children love crunchy sticks with dip. Crunchy carrot sticks. Number 7. The soup has fresh and mint. Peas. 8. She made a jam from ripe plums. 9. We put on the barbecue for a sweet treat. Pineapple. Pineapple. Number 10. He sliced and put it on his salad. A pear. 4.2. Fill in the blank sentences. You have words rich, inedible, stale, nutritious, ripe. Number 1. The cheese smelled terrible and was completely inedible. Number 2. She prepares a smoothie with spinach, banana and almond milk. Ellis Island. Nutritious. Number 3. The chocolate cake was so that I could only eat one slice. Rich. Number 4. The tomatoes are now, pick them for the salad. Ripe. And last one. I forgot the pastry on the counter and it went stale by the next day. 4.3. Match the definitions. Write the correct number next to each definition. So, a taste like sugar or honey. Sweet. Let's change our color. Sweet, number 9. Next one. A sharp, acidic taste like lemon. Sour. Number 8. Tastes of salt. Salty. Number 10. A strong, unpleasant taste like black coffee. Bitter. Number 5. Hot or peppery causes burning. Spicy. Lacking strong flavor, boring. Bland. Number 7. Pleasantly sharp and slightly sour. Tangy. Number 6. Gentle, not strong. Mild. Number 2. Tastes like smoke. Smoky. Number 1. And last one, a strong liking for sweets. Sweet tooth. Number 3. This is it for today. Thanks for being with me. See you next time. Bye bye.